In this DIY, we'll show you how to create a simple yet effective Christmas centerpiece. For this DIY, you'll need decorative wine glasses, Christmas foliage, our pack of 3 authentic flame candles, some blue tack, and a hot glue gun. Before you begin, be sure to check that your candles work. To start, turn your wine glasses upside down and grab your chosen foliage. Use the hot glue gun to secure your chosen decoration where the stem meets the bowl of the glass. Once you're happy with your arrangement and everything has dried, switch your candles on and secure them to the base of the glass with blue tack. Place them above your mantle or within your table centerpiece and enjoy!